read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, respected parents. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In class, today we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter P. At home, how could you teach letter P? Which vocabulary objects we could use at home? Pencil and plate. Keep these two things on the table. Pencil, p. Pencil, p. Plate. Yes, mostly kids like to eat pasta. Okay, now I will teach you how to write it, how to pronounce its sound, and vocabulary words. Let's start. Start from the first line, come straight down, make semicircle, it will make capital P. Start from second line, come straight down, make semicircle, it will make small p, capital P and small p. Piano, pencil, plate, pigeon, parrot, pineapple, punctuality. Be ready on time for school every day. Be ready on time for school every day. Now it's story time. The parrot sat next to the panda. The panda was eating a pineapple. The pigeon was flying and saw the pineapple. The parrot and pigeon asked for a bite. The panda shared the pineapple with both of them. I hope so you understood, you liked this video lecture and you will teach at home saying like that. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.